is the Ozark Trail Walmart bike. $250 and you get a fully built bike. So yeah, I've already ridden it around a little bit. There's a few things I've noticed that were a little off. I feel like all the reviews are right. The brakes do make a lot of noise, and I don't know if it's new brake noise at all. I've tried messing with it a little bit and it doesn't seem to improve. Maybe I'll ride it around and see if it does, but it's that. And then I usually drive a 1x or ride a 1x. This has a 2x and it takes a little bit of getting used to. I don't know. I think I have to ride it around a bit more to see, but it's pretty fun. I really enjoy it so far. I mean, it's definitely it's a fun backup bike to kind of learn do-it-yourself repairs and all that good stuff. Since it's so cheap, it's not a big deal if you mess something up on it, you know? So I might just use it to learn, maybe swap some parts from my other bike to this one, or just leave it as is and ride it when I feel like going downtown. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna ride it around and hopefully you guys like the scenery. Later. Right. I'm now riding the Ozark Trail and I'm in a rush. There's a cool boat up here. It's like massive. I'm just gonna throw away this trash. The Ozark Trail can keep up. It has the speed. Oh, there's the noisy brakes. It's going too fast. I don't think I'll make it. There's no trash cans here. We're gonna miss the boat. Oh, we found a trash can. To be honest, like, this bike really needs more gears. I just don't even want to shift it. I just keep it in the max gear. The drop bars feel really good though. For a $200 bike, this feels amazing. Get out of the wind. Okay, no more headwind. But I think I'm gonna stop over here and clean up and maybe do another video on this bike later. You know what's sick about this bike though? Kickstand. Oh yeah.